Terraform on Mac. Install the official CLI. Start with the common error. If Terraform is missing, you'll add the official HashiCorp Homebrew tab first. Now install Terraform from the HashiCorp tab. Homebrew downloads the CLI and links the binary. Verify the version. On this machine, Terraform is version 1. Then check which binary your shell is using. It should point to Homebrew. Create a tiny project folder. The main.tf file creates one local file. It is small, safe, and perfect for a first real run. Run Terraform init. This downloads the provider and creates the log. The local provider installs successfully, and Terraform says the project is initialized. Validate before you run anything. Terraform confirms the configuration. Now, save a plan. It shows one file will be created and 0 resources will change or destroy. Apply the saved plan. Terraform creates the local file immediately. Check the output value. Terraform returns the generated. Read the file to prove the apply really happened. Terraform is installed and verified.